Any changes that should be made after installing lowering links, either physical alignment or something, or software through VCDS? I'm not aware of anything. I think you could go. Could you in VCDS do some? Is there an adjustment?
Yeah, I mean, there's
setting?
sort of. I mean, there's the calibration, but it's. I mean, you're basically altering that reading anyway, which is the whole point of the lowering links. I mean, in theory, if you're going to run at a much lower static height, you could. I would, suggest maybe retorquing your control arms at that static height. So that's going to put a little extra strain on it. But it's. I mean, this is still within the range that the factory is normally running, so it's not like it's that far up. So, no, I don't think it's. It is going to affect your alignment. Again, this is all things you could optimize. It is going to affect your alignment some. So it's just going to be wherever you're going to primarily be riding.
Yeah, if
you will benefit from doing all those things.
That's a good point. Is your alignment should be set to whatever height you drive the most.
Mm-hmm.
But the less you lower it, the less you need to do.